How to remove efflorescence. In this video, we're going to demonstrate to you how SealGreen Efflorescence Remover works. The first two things you're going to need are going to be some tools. You're going to need a pump sprayer, a pressure washer or a garden hose with a strong stream, a plastic bristle brush, and always make sure you test in a small area before you do a full application to ensure that nothing's going to get damaged with the materials and that this is going to work for you. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take our material, the SealGreen Efflorescence Remover, and mix it accordingly to the size of the product that you bought. Here's a chart that describes exactly how to mix the product. In this scenario, you can see that we have a picture before and after of some brand new pavers that developed some efflorescence after the installation and now had to be cleaned. Part of our process is to make sure that we spray all the surface that we're going to clean, because not only it removes the efflorescence, but it also cleans the pavers very well and gets them back to their natural original color. Here you see us applying the efflorescence remover. And there you also see that as soon as it goes over any efflorescent surface, you will see some foamy reactions from the plate. Keep in mind that SealGreen Efflorescence Remover, it is not an acid, it is not a dangerous chemical, it's totally environmentally safe, and it will not burn or kill your grass or plants. So it is a very safe product to use, and there is no VOCs. So thoroughly apply it to all the area you're going to be cleaning, and then after that, what we typically do after that application process goes on, we will move on to go connect our water hose or a pressure washer and start rinsing. We like to use a turbo nozzle, especially if we do a lot of washing. This is an excellent unit to help clean pressure washer without damaging the surfaces. As you can see, it rotates very fast and it does an excellent job at cleaning. It also removes all the material very easily. You see that we're washing everything towards the landscape area to make sure that our pavers are nice and clean. Here, as a final picture of the whole surface wash, you will notice that as we do a close-up, there is no efflorescence left in those pavers after that wash. The total project took about maybe 20 minutes from start to finish to get that efflorescence done. Now we'll just let the pavers dry. The last picture you're going to see from us in this video is also going to be the comparison before and after. And notice that in the video you're going to see the before, which actually is showing capability of the product. Before, the pavers with efflorescence. Second, the pavers back to their natural original color. As you can see where we wash, you can see the difference. The next example is how to remove efflorescence from stem concrete. In this case, the job was very small, so we, as you can see in the video, and so we didn't bring a pressure washer and all that. We did try to use it with the simplest of tools that we could find. So what we did is we apply by using a pump sprayer, a plastic brush with plastic bristles, and a bucket of water. That's all the tools that was needed to get this efflorescence removed. The first thing we're going to do is going to spray the surface with the material and let it soak for maybe 1 or 2 minutes. And then we're going to scrub it with the brush lightly, just enough so we can get into the crevices and make sure to move it, because we don't have a pressure washer in this case. This is why we're doing the scrubbing. Otherwise, probably would not be necessary. Now, keep in mind that if the efflorescence has been there for many, many years, maybe more than one application may be required to remove the whole thing off of the surface. Here you see us now brushing and then applying the water to rinse. We like to put a lot of water to make sure all that cleaner goes away. Even if it's running into the planter, it does not matter. We just want to make sure the surface is nice and clean. So here's the job completed. As a final thing, we would like to remind you that our SealGreen Efflorescence Cleaner works very well with red clay brick, cinder blocks, split block face concrete, and concrete walls and floors.